In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the error code 0x643 Windows Update. So let's get started. Click on the Start button and go to Settings. From the list of options on the left pane, simply click the option that is System. Scroll down and click on Troubleshoot. Click Other Troubleshooters. Here you can find Windows Update with the Run button corresponding to it. Click the Run button to run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. That will give you suggestions and recommendations in fixing the issue. So, follow the on-screen instructions. After running the Windows Update Troubleshooter, right-click at the Start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. Then the next thing that we can do is to perform the system file checker scan. So go to the Windows search bar and type CMD. Click Run as Administrator option on the left pane on the right pane. Then type SFC space / scan now. SFC space / scan now and hit enter. The system scan will begin, so simply wait for the process to be 100% completed. And once this is 100% completed, type exit in the command prompt window. Then again, right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and click on the restart button. Then you can also make sure that you have enough disk space for your Windows. Click on the restart button, go to File Explorer. Make sure you click on this PC. Make sure you have enough space. If not, try to consider a disk cleanup. So type disk cleanup in the Windows search bar. Click on it under the best match. Click on OK for the Windows C drive. Make sure to select all of these items for the files that we need to delete and then click on OK and click on delete files. Now once done, the next thing that we can do is to perform a clean boot. So go to the Windows search bar, type msconfig, click System Configuration under the best match. Click on the Services tab. Make sure to check the option Hide All Microsoft Services. If any of the services are still enabled, click on Disable All, Apply. Like this, if any of these are still enabled, click Disable All, Apply, and then OK, and click on the Restart button. If all else fails, you can consider a system restore. So go to the Windows search bar, type RSTRUI, click Run as Administrator on the right pane. Click on Choose a different restore point, click Next. Simply choose the date as to where you are not facing the error. Like if the updates are still working, choose that date from here. Again, choose the date as to where you are not facing the error and then click on Next and click on Finish and wait for the process to be done. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.